Hello Scorpio, this is your love reading for the month of October. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so could check those videos as well, Scorpio. So first I will put out your energies and then your person's energy, and we'll see a likely outcome here. So let's see, Scorpio, what's there for you in October. Hopefully some awesome stuff for you in October in love. So let's start here. Scorpio, King of Wands. It's like clarity coming. So let me come with this. This is you with the Wheel of Fortune. It seems Scorpio, some of you are moving forward with a decision here. You are moving forward. That is like, either you are moving away from the relation. It could be positive, it could be negative here. So this is, you can see clarity. Some you have decided, you have made up your mind and you are moving forward. This is what I get here. Look at these cards here. So it could be that you could be moving out of a relationship, or you could go for reconciliation. Any ways it could work. Those who are having issues with relationship here. Let's see what else for Scorpio. So some decision you will take in October. Now this is what we get here, Scorpio. Let's see. Queen of Cups and the World. So basically I see some of you, Queen of Cups, like it seems that this is again your card. This is water sign card, so I feel this is energy. Some of you are ending a cycle. Maybe you are coming out of a relationship. This is what I get here. Some of you, again, this is for some of you. These are see, the messages won't be same. It will not be the same. This is the second. So some of you are coming out of relationship here with the World card coming in, like completion of a cycle. So moving on, and that is bringing some balance into your life. You are feeling better with that. That is what I feel. Maybe we'll get to know later that there were some issues in your relationship. So when you have moved out, or you are thinking of moving out, or you will be taking a decision, so you are gonna feel a little balanced. Maybe you will not be stressed about it, because it seems that is gonna make you a little happy, and you'll feel better balanced in terms of emotions. This is what I get. See, I find these messages like a little rude kind, but it is like what the cards are saying. We need to just, and what intuitively it comes like to our mind. So psychic kind of. Let's see what else for Scorpio. Knight of Wands with the Devil. I'll still clarify with one more card. Why is this Page of Cups? So Scorpio, it seems that some of you might be in a third party love triangle situation with the Devil card coming. Some toxic relationship here, but it seems that your person here, I feel that or the attraction between you and your person is too high. This is what I feel here. If your person is a fire sign, so I feel you can't let go that person. You are still attracted to the person. You will still be attached. Maybe you will be stuck. There will be issues, but you will not move away from this relationship. I feel here. If your person is a fire sign or a Capricorn, it seems you will not let go this relationship. Also could be cups like Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio here. So it seems that few of you will still be with the relationship in October. This is what I get here. So some of you are moving and ending a cycle, and some of you, it seems that your person might just come when they realize that this you are wanting to break away, or this relationship is falling apart, or kind of Tower movement coming. So they will rush in with messages, because you have this Page of Cups here. They will rush in with messages. They will clarify. They will try to make this work here. And of course the attraction between the Devil card, like there is lot of sexual attraction between you both, and it's although maybe it is toxic, but you will not let it go. So this is what I get with your energies here. Now let's see your person's energy. Energies could be vice versa to Scorpio. So let us see your person's energy. It seems that Scorpio, you want something which is this flirtatious. You want a happy relationship, that is what you are looking for. But in some case, what I see here, that you have a very intense lover. Your person is too intense and too serious kind, which at presently you are not looking for this kind of. Some of you are not on the same page as your person. Your person is looking for a commitment, intense and very powerful connection, and you want to take easy things slowly, flirtatious, playful kind of thing that you are looking for. This is for some of you here. But your person is like more in, I feel that, you know, they want more serious relationship. Maybe they're wanting a commitment. So could be, you know, there are issues in the overall, you are not on the same page. That's what I mean. The way you think of relationship and their thinking of relationship is different for some of you. So some of you might have, this could be the reason for, you know, either moving away, or if you have trying to close down this relationship, so like that. So your person's energy. So Tower, definitely there is a 8 of Pentacles. Let me see what else. 4 of Pentacles. So some of you, there is a Tower. You will see that here it seems some of you, Scorpio, maybe a breakup has happened previously. This is your situation, but right now your person wants to work on this relationship. They don't want to let go, and they are still stuck with you. They are still stuck with you. They are maybe, you know, previously they were back and forth, you know, where they would be there for a few days and not be available for another few days. So they didn't give that kind of commitment that was required. Commitment in the sense, not the serious kind, but you know, they were not available emotionally for some of you when you needed them. So maybe there was a Tower moment, some Tower moments happening into your relationship, back and forth, or maybe many Tower moments also, like it was more of a back and forth relationship here. But now for some of you, if it's an earth sign, they want to work on this relationship, especially Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now they don't want you to let go, like yeah. So this is what I get here. Let's see what else. What's your person's energies here? Yeah, Page of Swords. So they are thinking of messaging you. Page of Pentacles and 2 of Swords. So some of your person is like, although Page of Swords, they're keeping a tab on you. They are, you know, spying on you. They know what you are doing, but maybe your person, if it's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they are more into work and money and career rather than, you know, focusing on love. So love is like not a priority for them, and they are confused, indecisive, and, you know, they immature kind of. You can see here 2 of Swords. They sometimes think that they should be in the relationship, sometimes they don't want to be in the relationship. It's like that, it's a confusion. So they need to make a decision. That is what I feel here. King of Pentacles is like, you know, one who gives priority to money and career and business, and emotionally they are closed off kind of, you know. This is a single energy. So some of your person, you know, either has come out of relationship or coming out, or they're just distracting themselves into career, money situation. But still, with the 2 of Swords coming, they haven't let you go completely. You are on their mind. They think about you. They are indecisive. You know, there are times when they think about you here, and they're spying and keeping a tab on you on social media or through friends or Facebook or whatever platform it is here. So these are your person's energy here. I feel you also, Scorpios, you feel done. Like for some time you wanted to enjoy with your person, you wanted to have a good time with your person, but your person, but your person is like they are more of serious kind for some of you here. So your person wanted something, you wanted something from the relationship. So it was 2 different things, and that's why, you know, not on the same page, and it did not work out for some of you here. So there is a distance now. There could be distance, or, you know, you would have felt left out, or you would have left them, you know, in cold. So it could be vice versa also. So this is it, Scorpio. Now let me find out a likely outcome for Scorpio's relationship here. What could be? likely outcome. So the Judgment, let us see here. 4 of Cups and 8 of Swords. With the Judgment card, there could be, you know, if you are in a stuck situation wherein you still, this is like 4 of Cups, you know, 4 of Cups, you have this Ace of Cups, this person offering the Ace of Cups but not interested, but they are very much stressed and think about you here. This is also thinking there is reconciliation definitely for some of you here, especially with the Swords energy and Cups energy. You know, there could be reconciliation and coming together, moving forward with the relationship here, Scorpio. Let's see one more outcome with another story. It won't be the same for all. So definitely with the Judgment card, it's a card of second chances. It's about going back to your, it's like taking a decision on something from the past. Usually reconciliation happens in Judgment card. It's an inner calling. You might reconcile. That is what I get here. One second, just one more card. Okay, so here I will see one more likely option. For some of you it's reconciliation, and for some of you, let me find out. With the World card coming in your reading, it seems some of you are leaving the relationship, that's for sure. So it's 7 of Pentacles. You are wondering whether, you know, you should be in the relationship or not. 6 of Cups. Okay, moving away. Yeah, so you see with those 6 of Cups, again here it shows Scorpio. So what I feel is here, although you wonder this relationship is going to go ahead and you have doubts about it, but still with the 6 of Cups coming here and the 3 of Cups again together, 6 of Cups is a reconciliation, a person from your past. If they are a person from your past, an ex is coming back again for reconciliation here. Let me pull out one more card here. Yeah, so I see reconciliation for you, Scorpio. With the ex-person, with your person, if you had a Judgment calling, but some of you are definitely ending a cycle because there is a World card in your reading, and you will be taking that call, not your person. This is what I get. So this is it, Scorpio, for this month. If you do like my readings, it resonates with your situation, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.